YouTube channel, and today I am here with Jason White from RazaBlade TV and RazaBlade TV Vlogs and RazaBlade Family.
Thank you for the free shout out.
So it's night time, and as you know, we're boyfriend and girlfriend.
What?
That's so weird. We're together.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
If you're somebody with like KFC, Popeyes, Island Grill, whatever you like, and you know you can go outside and buy it, then you can make it yourself.
Yes.
In a have to be accurate, you can just make it and just shut your eyes and imagine see it.
We have it accurate.
So tonight we're gonna make some homemade KFC because me love KFC. Just somewhat love
Tonight
KFC.
we're gonna make KFC because we're making at the house, so it's already homemade. Though mother said no, because then will kill you in the comments.
It's true, it's true. Yeah, alright, we're gonna make KFC from home. From home? From home?
No, we're making KFC from church.
Alright, so we're gonna make some KFC. So what I have here is some chicken.
Wow, you need to cut me on.
Babe, when I chef, you have to know if we sight.
No, chef no sight, and you can know how to move the pot.
Right here, I have some chicken. I wash it already, clean it up with my little. I didn't use any lime. I don't have any lime, but I use vinegar twice. Probably 3 times, but me use vinegar. So I have legs, wing, and thigh in the plate. So this is it. Nice and clean. I never normally do this, but now I get the opportunity to do it. I go blend up my seasoning them, pour it on it, see if I can cover it for 15 minutes, let it marinate. Then I'm gonna show you how we do fried chicken. So yeah, we're gonna do everything KFC style. We're gonna have the fries, the chicken. I'm not sure if I want to go original, spicy and barbecue. I'm not so talented. But I'll try. Babe, what you normally order when you go KFC? No, spicy chicken?
Yes, spicy.
Alright, I mean normally take spicy and barbecue. Spicy and barbecue. So I might just do 2-3 barbecue and the rest of them spicy. So let's get into the video. Kimona gave me some cherry, but they put them in our freezer. But because we never have my blender, I say I have to, I not show my cherry them until I get one blender. So I'm gonna make cherry juice.
You got a blender. So cherry up on KFC.
No, that will have a drink with it.
Oh, we're gonna drink. We're gonna drink
cherry juice.
Cherry juice, cause I want to drink cherry juice.
Fruit juice, babe.
I drink some fruit juice.
So I have an onion. I have one sweet pepper. Only one I have left back, so I cut off one little piece.
Yes, yeah, phone it.
I have scallion.
That's time, babe. My second time you're doing it now, babe.
I have thyme.
Time.
I have scotch. I have whole heap of scotch bonnet. I have scotch bonnet and I have garlic. I always have garlic. And I have some ginger for the juice, and I'm gonna need some to blend. So I'm gonna blend up everything, pour it on the chicken, and then put some Maggi. So yeah, I could do that real quick. Oh, and I have an egg and some pimento seed. Somebody already washed my blender. Pick up the phone, baby. So I have my blender, my glass blender. So I'm gonna just cut my sweet pepper in a 2. Everybody gonna say, so why you blend seasoning it if you know you're gonna blend juice? First of all, the beauty about glass, it no whole scent. You wash this properly with bleach, you're good to go. Thanks, Shugs. Put some thyme in there. Put some whole heap of pepper because you want it to be spicy. Then I get some onion. You know you don't have to cut them up fine because the blender gonna do the work. You're gonna put this in probably 4. Get some garlic. Never you cook without garlic. The only time I cook without garlic is when I don't have it. But once it's here, I gotta use it. What I'm gonna do is put some of the pimento seed because you know you can't eat it, you know, whole. Then I'm gonna get a piece of ginger. And I'm gonna wash it. cut it in half. Okay, never mind. Good. Gonna tip a little bit of water. Just a little, nothing too much. Gonna put it on the blender. And since my blender is new, I'm gonna unravel this. Follow me, camera guy. I want it on low, because this you don't need high. So I'm gonna blend. You get your chicken. Remember, you have to wash your chicken. That's the most important part. Even if you don't have season, please wash it. Please wash it. I'm gonna add some Maggi. This is gonna start for me. Maggi, because I love Maggi, right? I love me some Maggi. Okay? Then I'm gonna get a spoon. And I'm gonna scrape this all out. Boy, it shock me, man. Pepper in there kick like Jackie Chan. This smells so good, guys. Babe, if this come out good, we'll not go back to KFC. Ever. Never.
No hope so.
Bro.
I mean, if you go back, it'll be money out of your pocket, right?
And the what? Always tell them. Guys, I always say this. And I say, babe, why you make me go KFC?
I'm just saying.
Like you always want to go KFC. Make your own KFC. I'm going to talk to him every time.
Let's say something to you, though. If we do go back, I have money out of your pocket.
I don't have money.
Well, just get shaky, you know.
This one ain't gonna make me cry. Since the air water gonna come up, let me just cry. What you ever do me?
Make it chicken there, man. We are see you, man. Don't worry yourself.
What you ever do me? I cannot waste the air water.
Come on.
Don't rush me.
Don't tell me what to do.
You can't make me waste them good air water here. Onion, you did this. Oh, my mama one time you didn't hurt my feelings.
Jesus Christ.
It was 2016, actually, approximately 6:30 a.m.
Okay.
Anyways, we gotta season. Me don't mind to put my hand in there. It not do me nothing. Some people say, oh, it's gonna burn you up. Da, 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 da. It not do me nothing. So I'm just put my hand in there. I'm a massage it in. Get it real nice up in there. Yep. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cover this and let it marinate. You can do this overnight, but if you don't have any time like me, because we need it for dinner, you can just leave it there for 15 to 20 minutes, because that's the amount of time you're gonna need to prepare everything else. Now you're gonna put back everything where you get them from. And you're not a dirty person. Alright, so I have this butter dish. This is what I normally use my butter dish for. Don't throw them away. Crack the egg.
You crack the egg.
Then you're going to beat this out. Then you're going to season your flour. I only have Maggi, as I say, and I don't use black pepper because first of all, Jason tell me, say, him no want no black pepper in food. I'm not go around that, because if I don't want something in my food, don't give it to me. Don't try to disguise it either. And it's not healthy for meals, so I don't play with that. So you season your flour, right? Then kind of mix it. Alright, so after everything, I have the egg, the flour, and the seasoned chicken.
Yeah, that's one.
Baby, you chef! It's a snack!
Yeah, boy.
Go get the frying pot. I need something that is broad, that can hold all the chicken at once. It's okay. Always remember to rinse your pot, even if you wash it 100 times. Rinse that pot, girl. The oil is
heating.
I know.
Bro, me and you, someone say nothing. You never say nothing.
I'm gonna name them.
Oh.
So they got. So the oil, I did have some oil like from Sunday that I used to fry the chicken. So me use like some of that and some fresh coconut oil. These days me like to use coconut oil. Let me tell you know what get me excited these days? Like the type of soap that I used to wash my clothes, the type of oil that I used to clean. The type of oil that I used to cook and the type of detergent that I used to clean. Them stuff that get me excited these days. What get you excited? Comment below and tell me. What get you excited, babe?
Me?
Yes.
PUBG.
I'm gonna put a piece of scallion, a pepper, and a garlic. I don't have any scallion, so I guess this, well, this is the only scallion I have. Is this a scallion? Is it? I don't know. Because you know you want the oil to have some extra flavor. You want it to be spicy, especially if you're somebody who loves pepper.
Alright, go now.
When I use coconut oil, it just froth up. Alright, so you make them here gone fry up. Okay, so you got nothing on you. For the chicken, it's well seasoned, smells so good. So what I'm gonna do is dip it in the flour, right? Cover it, ensure it's covered. I don't know why I use fork. I normally use my hand, sorry. And then I'm gonna dip it in the egg and dip it back in the flour. So now I'm gonna do the fries. I made 1 jug of cherry juice with ginger and a little bit of sugar. I only use 1 spoon. I'm gonna use back the oil here because you know you need clean, fresh oil for your fries. First of all, if you ever fry fries in a like oil where you was already give me will vomit. I cannot eat it.
So yeah, we got fries.
Yeah.
Hey.
You have to use like fresh oil. I'm a whole wife. Okay.
You're a whole wife?
Whole wife.
Oh, whole. You're whole.
I'm your whole wife.
Go go sit down.
Your whole wife.
We're in our kitchen. I gotta cut jeans for that and feel like so she.
By the way, this is not undercut jeans. I buy this out of Victoria's Secret. So all that hot for my fries. Babe, how you get excited by your KFC?
I'm just hungry, to be honest.
Bro. Oh my, I don't have nothing to put my fries in a fries bag. I don't have any fries bag. I'm gonna make some fries bag.
Just make a plate for me and just put it on. See, I'll go up there.
No.
And there you have it. Kentucky Fried Chicken with the cherry juice.
We ain't missing no thing.
I'm gonna get a good picture of this. So that's how Iandra B and Razor T made KFC.
Yeah, show them again. This is mine, 2 little legs.
That's all you want, babe?
Yeah, that's all I want. And this is my baby's, a thigh and 2 legs. Alright guys, so fun and joke aside, I mean I tried. I don't like KFC, but I tried. Create your own happiness, especially now when we're the inside and we can't go outside. Well, we can go outside, but you know we can't go get like food and stuff like that. So you buy your food and it's way cheaper. Don't come at me because I know I always buy KFC, but this is way cheaper. You buy a little chicken, and you pinch it, and you create any meal you want, whether it's fried, curried, stew, anything at all. See, I made homemade KFC. Create your own happiness. You know, for one road and cherry juice. Thanks to Kim's Beauty for my cherry. You know how long I have the cherry to freeze? Because I decided that I don't try away. I need a blender. So bye guys. Wait.
You have a man by your chest, girl. That's how many more for
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Road to 20k. Thanks guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for your chat the journey with me. Bye guys.